We are in the middle of what would normally be the busy travel season, and like so many other things in life, the coronavirus has changed many of our vacation plans. And with COVID cases spiking in Florida right now, is now the time to visit the Sunshine State? Paul Murphy reports.
The Florida Panhandle has always been a top destination to visit for families from the New Orleans area. Carrie Booher from Uptown and her family were planning to vacation in Fort Walton Beach in 2 weeks. It's something they enjoy doing, but not this year.
If we're going to go to a shared condo building, even walking down the hallway can be a risk at this point.
This morning, Booher canceled her family vacation amid reports of spiking coronavirus cases in Florida. New COVID-19 cases are now averaging more than 11,000 per day in the Sunshine State. Booher says a trip to the beach is not worth the risk to her 2 small children.
I would love to take them to the beach. They love going there and they love the Florida Panhandle, but we may need to find something a little closer to home this year.
Others aren't letting the virus affect their travel plans. Michael at Roll Call 79 wrote on Twitter, "My parents both live in Florida, are 75 plus, and have stayed safe. As far as the numbers are concerned, I have trouble believing anything these days." Charlie Swartz told us, "Only worry is not having enough money." Louisiana Assistant State Health Officer Dr. Joe Cantor says there is no directive to avoid Florida, but he would be very cautious.
In general, when there's this much COVID anywhere you are, and that goes for in Louisiana right now, as well as Florida, the safest advice is to stay home and limit the number of people that you come in contact with outside your family unit.
Dr. Cantor talked about what's driving the high numbers in Florida.
It's the mass of people without distancing, and it's a lack of mask wearing.
Right now, there is no statewide mask mandate in Florida.
I'm worried about coronavirus in general, but I'm also really worried to go to Florida.
We reached out to visitor bureaus across the Florida Panhandle. None of them provided us with a comment for this story. Paul Murphy, Eyewitness News.
According to AAA, Orlando, Florida is normally the #1 destination in the country for New Orleans area travelers. Orlando has now dropped to number 8 on that list.